In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of YouTube full screen not working. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This problem can be quite frustrating since it prevents you from enjoying videos in full screen. Let's walk through some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. There are a few different ways you can try to make a video go full screen. The first method is by tapping on the video player, and in the bottom right corner, you should see an icon that looks like a square outline. Tap this icon, and your video should switch to full screen. Alternatively, you can also try dragging down on the title of the video, which may trigger the full screen mode as well. However, if these methods aren't working, let's move on to some possible fixes. One of the first things you can try is restarting the YouTube app. To do this, swipe up to bring up your open apps, then swipe up again to close the YouTube app completely. Once it's closed, open it back up and head to a video to check if full screen now works. If this fixes the issue, great. But if you're still facing problems, let's move on to the next step. If restarting the app didn't solve the problem, the next step is to restart your device. This can help resolve any glitches that may be affecting YouTube's performance. On an iPhone, press the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and then hold down the side power button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an Android, usually holding down the power button will restart the device. Once your phone restarts, open YouTube again and check if you're able to watch videos in full screen. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the YouTube full screen issue. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.